This is a 76-year-old male. He has like a 7-month history of vertigo that's pretty exclusively induced by coughing. Spontaneously, he has a little slight amount of left beat nystagmus. That's unidirectional. Look to your left a little. Look to your right a little. Try not to blink a lot. Okay, good. Now just look straight ahead. All right, go ahead and cough for a while.
I can't. Not happening, right?
No, it's... Wait, hold on. Yes, it is. Keep looking up.
Oh, yeah, it's happening.
Yeah, we see it. Look to your right a little bit. Look to your left a little bit. Look up towards your eyebrow.